Hello people, long time no see. I guess it's like the I guess it's about like the 10 millionth time I have said these words, so yeah. But yeah, actually long time no see. It's been, I don't even know how long. If this is your first video, yeah, hi. And how? Well, let's do a bit of a life update slash channel update, yeah. Because that is funny and interesting to watch. Quality content. So, my life. I don't really have one, but then yeah, if you insist of knowing. So, last time I said I was working, well I still am, in kind of a tutorial center as a Korean teacher as well as a receptionist. I know it's a bit of a weird combination, but yeah, let's move on. Now I am majorly an English teacher. Well, not teacher, am I? Well, English tutor for secondary school student. So in short, I have less work hours. Yeah, so I have more time for myself, periodically. That's why I'm back. Yay, hello. So, yeah, I tend to wave when I can't come up with things to say. I'm sure you can tell. Yeah, and I guess I will be able to do more videos from now on with more frequent uploads. See? I've already forgotten like 90% of how to YouTube. It's not like I know much about YouTube before that, so haha. But the thing is, I still can't figure out a very consistent schedule for that, so maybe we'll still have to see, but more content, that's for sure. And speaking of content, I'm thinking about making different types of content again, just like the good old days. In the very beginning of this channel, I was only uploading Cantonese tutorials, and then I got a bit greedy because I tried to upload vlogs. I don't know, I'm not outside, so I'm not sure those are vlogging. Just me talking, actually. And some type of artsy time-lapse videos. So, and then I got busy. I couldn't handle that much work, so I have to reduce to just uploading Cantonese tutorial again. But last month I tried to participate Inktober. By the way, that was my third attempt, and somehow that was also my third time of finishing only 21 out of 30 drawings. I guess it's a curse. Anyway, enough of that nonsense. What I meant to say is, content-wise, I'll try to, speed. Content-wise, I'll try to diversify the types, since I apparently have more time now. So yeah, Cantonese tutorial, that's for sure, is not going away. Why am I counting if you can't see my fingers? Yeah, maybe I should count like this. Yeah, like this. So the first is Cantonese tutorial, and what else? And artsy videos. Let me look at my cheat sheet. Yeah, because Inktober is kind of fun, but also maybe I'll try to do something other than just sped up. Yes, I am an English teacher, thank you very much. Just video of me drawing, because that is interesting, I bet. I'll try to do something slightly different. Not tutorials though. I am not I'm not skillful enough, qualified enough to teach you how to draw. So yeah, art content will be there, but not sure about the type still. What else? Oh, something new. Something new is gonna happen, but I guess if you are already watching this, no problem. Then I doubt you'll be interested in that. Because the new type of content will be me teaching English. Not that kind of like hardcore Shakespearean English or anything near that level. I'll be teaching maybe basic to intermediate grammar, or I don't know, vocabulary, depends. Cause as I am a professional English tutor now, I guess I'm qualified enough? I don't know. You see, like I make mistakes in this video that you're watching, so again, if you're watching this video, no problem. I'm not sure why you'll be interested. I'm just trying because I'm teaching Cantonese in English. Why not just flip it, using Cantonese to teach English? Yes, you can do it as, I don't know, like a Cantonese listening video, maybe. Yeah, watch the video, subscribe. Stop. I guess one thing is as consistent as my hiatus is the construction work outside. Like, they are still building that goddamn house. Well, some other reasons other than the why not. I am not, well, not humorous enough, and I'm not funny enough. So practice on the internet and let the world be the judge if I am improving or if I am as boring as before. And please, what a good timing. Why? So yeah, I'ma practice my funny here. Please like this video if you like funny. Yeah, vlogs. I'm the best when it comes to making vlogs, because I'm totally not just speaking in my room to the camera. I don't know, because as I said, like, my life is boring AF. I don't really have a life. Like, in case you can't tell, I am a hardcore introvert, and I don't really like going out. So I don't know if, like, I will be doing rambling stuff, like explore you guys to listen to me talking about nonsense. But the going outside at filming actual people and sunlight kind of vlogs, I might have to try a bit harder if I am really putting out that kind of content. But yeah, in short, I will try to make more content and different kinds of content. So yeah, to be honest, I'm kind of surprised because my channel hasn't died yet. Like, for some strange reason, the algorithm is kind of increasing. I don't know what happened. It's weird. So I guess, I don't know. I just hope when I'm not putting up videos, I am gaining subscribers. Like, just a tiny amount, but it's going up. The number's going up. I just hope that if I start making videos again, the numbers will not drop, because it's happened before. So yep. Yeah, that's it. I guess this is a wrap for this rambling. It's been a while. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you're excited about the new content. I don't know why you would like this video, but yeah, like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Maybe hit that notification bell thingy. I really hate this sentence, but yeah. And see you next time. Okay, also subscribe to PewDiePie. It's too late, but yeah, I'm doing my part. Okay, I'm part of the 9-year-old army and I'm proud. So yeah, see you next time. Bye. Oh, I don't do this random rambling videos. See? I forgot.